There is a real monster hiding in the center of our galaxy. There is a black hole called Sagittarius A. It is so massive that it weighs more than 4 million suns and controls the movement of all the stars around it. Imagine a planet that travels without a sun. These are rogue planets. They do not revolve around any star and travel in the complete darkness of intergalactic space. And if you were on Venus, you would be crushed instantly. The atmosphere there is 92 times denser than Earth's. It is like diving a kilometer underwater, only with no chance of survival. Jupiter is not only the largest, it is also dangerous. Its giant magnetic field creates powerful radiation belts that could destroy any ship without protection. Raining from water, too banal. On Titan, a satellite of Saturn, methane rains from the sky. Their entire rivers and seas consist of liquid gas. Do you know what space smells like? Astronauts, after going into outer space, describe the smell as a mixture of hot metal, ozone, and even a fried steak. Ordinary stars shine, and these also spin wildly. Neutron stars are capable of rotating at a speed of hundreds of revolutions per second, faster than any engine on Earth. And now a fact that will make you feel tiny. The Sun occupies 99.8% of the mass of the entire solar system. Everything else, planets, asteroids, and comets, are just crumbs. The further we look into space, the faster everything runs away from us. This is a consequence of the expansion of the universe. Galaxies are moving away, and the further they are, the faster they move. The most powerful telescope in history sees what we have never seen before. The James Webb Space Telescope can peer 13.5 billion years into the past and reveal the first galaxies after the Big Bang. It is like a time machine for astronomers. When a star dies, it is more spectacular than any fireworks display. A supernova explosion shines brighter than an entire galaxy and can briefly outshine billions of stars. Space looks quiet, and it really is. There is no air or other medium that transmits sound. It is absolutely silent. But the universe still has its own music. Scientists translate the oscillations of cosmic plasma into sound. This is how recordings of the music of the universe are born. This telescope is so sensitive that it can see the unimaginable. JWST is able to detect the atmospheres of distant exoplanets and even the composition of gases that may indicate signs of life. It is the main tool in the search for a second Earth. Some stars leave behind real treasures after their death. When a supernova explodes, gold, platinum, and other heavy metals are thrown into space. All our jewelry on Earth was once born in stellar explosions. But here's something interesting for party lovers. There is so much alcohol in the interstellar cloud Sagittarius B2 that it would be enough for drink trillions of people. Pluto is tiny but very wild. It has ice mountains more than 3 kilometers high. These are real frozen skyscrapers. And the largest mountain in the solar system is not on Earth. The Olympus Mons volcano on Mars is 3 times higher than Everest, and so large that its base could cover the whole of France. There are planets that simply boil with heat. These are hot Jupiters. They are so close to their stars that their atmosphere evaporates into space. And now, time travel. We see galaxies 13 billion light-years away. They formed when the universe was only a few 100 million years old.